take a bangle, I have wrapped golden color all over the bangle. I have taken 30 to 35 strands of thread and wrapped all over the bangle. Apply a glue at the corner of the bangle. Take white color stone chain and paste it all over the bangle. Now after pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Next line, apply a glue. All over the bangle. Now paste red color stone chain. All over the bangle. Next line, apply a glue all over the bangle. Again paste white color silver chain. Cut at the end. And paste it. Next line, apply a glue and paste green color stone chain. All over the bangle. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Next line, apply a glue at the corner. All over the bangle. Now paste white color stone chain all over the bangle at the corner. Cut at the end and paste it. Now the bangle is ready. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.